皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about Sonkeigo Part 2. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start learning about Sonkeigo. Alright, so Sonkeigo is part of Keigo, which is a speech that shows respect. And it is often used when you are talking to people older than you, or talking to someone you don't know, or often used in business. So there are three types of Keigo. Teinego, which is just being polite in general. Number two, Sonkeigo, honorific, and this is about superior's action. And then Kenjogo, being humble, and this is about speaker's action. And today we are going to talk about Sonkeigo. Right, so Sonkeigo, it's about superior's action. Elevate the listeners, often elders or someone you don't know, listeners' position above speakers to show respect. So today, first topic is about honorific verb. So like honorific version of the verb. For example, 食べる in Sonkeigo, that's 召し上がる、召し上がる。言う that is おっしゃる、おっしゃる。And then 来る in Sonkeigo, that is いらっしゃる、いらっしゃる。or おいでになる、おいでになる。or お越しになる、お越しになる。I guess in Sonkeigo, come is a special word because it even has like 3 words for one word, which makes sense because you take time and effort to come to the place. And then 知っている to know 知っている in Sonkeigo, that's ご存知ご存知 and 見る見る that is ご覧になるご覧になる and then する to do, that is なさるなさる in Sonkeigo. Alright, so let's look at example sentences. お醤油と一緒にお召し上がりください。お醤油と一緒にお召し上がりください。Please have this with soy sauce. お醤油。お醤油。That's soy sauce. Right? Rather than saying 醤油, which is soy sauce, you say お醤油 to be more polite. 一緒に together. お召し上がりください。お召し上がりください。召し上がる is a honorific verb. Honorific version of 食べる to eat. And then you can add o in front of it, in front of 召し上がる and makes it even more polite. That's what you often hear in restaurants or something. Okay? お醤油と一緒にお召し上がりください。Please have this with soy sauce. Next example sentence. どちらからお越しになったんですか？どちらからお越しになったんですか？ Where did you come from? どちらか from where? お越しになる that means to come in honorific. So, お越しになったんですか？ That's a past form. So, where do you come from? Next. 駅までの行き方はご存知ですか？駅までの行き方はご存知ですか？ Do you know how to get to the station? So, 駅まで to the station. 行き方 how to get to. ご存知 that's to know in honorific. So, ご存知ですか that means do you know? Okay. 駅までの行き方はご存知ですか Do you know how to get to the station? Next. こちらの商品をご覧になりますか？こちらの商品をご覧になりますか？ Would you like to look at this product? Okay, so こちらの商品 that means this product. ご覧になる that means to watch or to see, to look at in honorific. So, ご覧になりますか？ Would you like to look at? So the whole sentence, こちらの商品をご覧になりますか？ Would you like to look at this product? Alright, next example sentence. 先生は27歳だとおっしゃった。先生は27歳だとおっしゃった。The teacher said that she's 27 years old. So 先生は the teacher 27歳だ。Being 27 years old. おっしゃった。おっしゃる。That's honorific verb of you to say. Next example sentence. 先生がご結婚なさるそうだ。先生がご結婚なさるそうだ。I heard that the teacher will get married. So, そうだ at the end, that means I heard. So, 先生が the teacher ご結婚ご結婚結婚 is marriage. You are the go to be more polite. So, ご結婚 marriage in a polite way. And then なさる なさる is honorific verb of する. So, instead of saying 結婚する you say ご結婚なさる to get married. Okay. And then そうだ I heard. So, the whole sentence 先生がご結婚なさるそうだ. I heard that the teacher will get married. Okay, so in Sonkeigo, you can actually use passive form about superior's action, and then it still shows the respect and elevate the listener's position above speaker to show some respect. By the way, we have a video for passive form, so please check that out if you haven't. So using passive form, you could say something like this. 私のリンゴが先生に食べられた。私のリンゴが先生に食べられた。My apple was eaten by my teacher. And that's passive form. Because you're saying in indirect way. Because instead of saying teacher ate it, you're saying my apple was eaten by a teacher. But you can also say the same thing in this way, but still show the respect to the teacher. 先生が私のリンゴを食べられた。先生が私のリンゴを食べられた。My teacher ate my apple. Still showing respect to the teacher. And this 食べられた in the second sentence is Sonkeigo. Alright, so the point of this, you might wonder what's the difference. If you look at the subject, it's different. In the first sentence, 私のリンゴ, my apple was the subject. In the second sentence, 先生 is the subject. And 先生 is worth showing respect to. Okay, so that's the difference. So you might wonder, how can we, distinguish those passive form and the Sonkeigo if the conjugation is the same? Well, usually it's obvious because of the context and the subject. If the subject is someone you don't know, you talk to in business or something like that, then most likely that is Sonkeigo. Let's look at the next example sentence that is using passive form. 会社には何時に戻られますか？会社には何時に戻られますか？ What time will you come back to the office or the company? Okay, so there is no subject in this sentence. It is inferred that you're talking to the listener. Because it's the question mark, right? What time will you come back to the office? So 会社には to the office 何時に at what time? 戻られますか？戻る means to come back. So 戻られますか? That is a passive form. But the subject is the person you're talking to in business. So this is Sonkeigo. Alright, next example sentence. She's at the bar or something, and someone might ask her, 何を飲まれますか？何を飲まれますか？ What would you like to drink? So 何を what? 飲む to drink, right? 飲まれますか？飲まれますか？ That is Sonkeigo, saying that to show some respect. Alright, next example sentence. 先輩は明日のパーティーに出席されますか？先輩は明日のパーティーに出席されますか？ Are you going to attend the party tomorrow? Talking about senpai. Okay, so senpai, that's senpai who is like elder or someone who has more experience than you. ね、明日のパーティーに party tomorrow 出席されますか？そう、出席する。that means to attend. 出席される that's a passive form of 出席する。そう、出席されますか？ That means, are you going to attend? Alright? Last example sentence. 先生は挨拶は大事だと言われた。先生は挨拶は大事だと言われた。The teacher told us that greetings are important. Okay, so 先生は the teacher. 挨拶は大事だ。挨拶 that's greetings. 大事だ is important or are important. と言われた。said. So 言う that means to say. But 言われる it's passive form. But in this case, to just showing respect. So 先生は sensei is the subject. So someone that you show respect to. And he said that or she said that. So 言われる here is Sonkeigo. Right? 先生は挨拶は大事だと言われた。The teacher told us that greetings are important. Alright. Translate these sentences into Japanese using what you learned today. So there are 3 quizzes. What time do you usually eat dinner? Second, what do you usually do during weekends? Number 3, which station do you get off? I will leave the example answers in the description. Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね!